Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. Now let's analyze what happened in Nifty today. So Nifty yesterday closed at 11,898 and today it opened at 11,934. A positive start of 35 points. So based on yesterday's structure and closing price, I had stated that today it will be a kind of neutral to slight bullishness. So and based on open price, we had to monitor the support level. Initially, I had stated that if 11,933 is held, then it will go for up move. Same in Bank Nifty also. If it 24,644 is held, then it will go for a up move. But today, that particular level was broken, and Nifty started to consolidate. If you see, buyers and sellers were active. Lots and lots of buyers and sellers were present. Looks like only retail investors were present. They was trading for intraday. Even here also, if you see, there was a small up move, and again later on down move. So based on this overall structure, we can assume that most of the time retail participant were most of the time it was by the retail participant, and overall structure states that on Monday's trade it will be a neutral to slight bearishness. And today's high is 11,979 and low is 11,907. The range is 72 points. It's a very narrow range compared to other days. And for I had also stated that if Nifty starts trading above 11,935, it will be good for buyers and they can push the market on the higher side. But looks like they got exhausted initially, and then there was not much activity from the buyer side, and even from the seller side also. So for Monday's trade, I'll be watching 11,980. Anything over this level, buyers it will be easy for them to push the market on the higher side. And anything below 11,905, it will be easy for sellers to push the market to the lower side. So based on the structure and the closing price, we can say that it is a neutral to slight bearishness. So let's move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty yesterday closed at 24,557 and today it opened at 24,660. A positive start of 102 points. So based on yesterday's structure and the closing, I had stated that it is having a neutral to slight bullishness. But as soon as the market opened, it went up with the first 5 minutes and then it started coming down. Most of the trading activity happened in yesterday's range. Looking at the overall structure, you can see that here sellers are present and here also, and here the minor buyers were present. Not much activity from the buyers. So for Monday's trade, I will be having a position like a slight new bearishness from neutral to slight bearishness. So and today's high is 24,789 and low is 24,379. The range is 409. That is looks decent, but we'll have to. But most of the time, sellers were present. So we'll have to monitor on Monday if 24,800 is taken out, then you can expect some buying activity happening. Anything above this level, 24,635, slowly, some buying activity will start. But anything above 24,800, you can see some more buying activity. And also below 24,375, you can expect some selling to start or weakness will start in Bank Nifty. So I had also stated yesterday saying that if Bank Nifty starts trading about 24,635, it will be good for the Bank Nifty. But I think that did not happen. Also, the lower level 24,456 was a level which was monitoring for the sellers to be active. But I think most of the time, the buyers and sellers spend their time here doing their activity. Okay, so for Monday's trade, it is neutral to slight bearishness. So let's move on to the second section, that is reviewing calls and shared on Telegram channel. First call is Berzapane. It was a buy at 613. The call was triggered here and then it got stop loss hit. Okay, so second which I had shortlisted was Adani Enterprise. Buy call at 315. As soon as the market opened, that call was triggered and went up. So as per our exit strategy, we might have exited somewhere here, 318.5, a decent gain. So let's move on to the third stock, that is RBL. It was a buy call at the 182.3. It was not initiated. So overall, the summary looks like this. RBL, no call was triggered. Adani Enterprise, 3.5 roughly points gained. And Berger Paint, loss of minus 4.5. So positive total of 600 rupees. An assumed capital of 1 lakh. So let's move on to the third section, that is shortlisted stock for Monday's trading. First stock which I've shortlisted is TCS. TCS also started consolidating in a very narrow range. So looking at the overall structure, we can say that this particular stock is having slight negative, that sellers are controlling this particular stock. Anything above 450, some buying activity will start, and you can see some short covering above this level 452.5. And anything below 442.5 or around 441, you can see some weakness coming, and sellers can push this particular stock onto the lower side. So second stock which I've shortlisted is Vedanta. Lot of buying and selling activity happened in this season, and later on, I think after 2:30, sellers took control and pushed the market to the lower side, and it closed almost at the day's low. So anything below 104, you can expect this particular stock to go down further. Or in case if something happens like overnight activity and there is a positive sentiment, anything about this level 600, 106.4 or 107, you can expect some short covering, as well as the buyers can come up and they can start pushing this particular stock on the higher side. So for now, it looks sellers are controlling this particular stock. The third stock which I've shortlisted is Aura Pharma. Aura Pharma is considered in a very narrow range. Both buyers and sellers were active. But looking at the structure and the closing price, we can say that sellers are having little upper hand. So anything above this particular price, roughly 788, you can see some buying activity happening, and this particular stock can move on the higher side. And anything below these swings, you can expect the seller activity to continue, and this stock will come weak, and you can expect this particular stock to move on the lower side. You might get some support in this region, 762 to 764 or something, but it is not a very strong support. You can expect sellers to take it out easily. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thanks for watching.